All right, guys, I'm gonna give you a quick rundown on at the end of the day. End of the day, I've been fishing hard. End of the day, the boat is dirty. End of the day, I gotta put some rods up, but I gotta give her a nice little wipe down. Let me show you what I like to use. All right, there we go. Extreme clean, because I'm a little extreme sometimes. Road grime, yeah, no match for this. This stuff gets the grease off, it gets your hard to do stains. Then when you're out fishing, gets the boat good and clean. Then I'm gonna follow it up with a little vinyl guard, a little vinyl clean, yeah. But this, let me show you how this stuff works. It works good. All right, here's what we do. We just go right down the gunnel, spray it on. Oh yeah. Now just start wiping it, guys. Look at that. Gets all the grime off. Road grime, lake grime, fish grime. Yeah, that's how we keep the old battle wagon looking sexy right there. Ultimate Extreme Clean by Star Brite. They not only make this stuff, they make tons of other cool products. So be sure to check them out at Starbrite.com, guys. We'll keep all your stuff looking sexy.